They getting loud. She growled. Mm-hmm. I don't know, cause maybe because they got louder.
See ya.
Mm-mm. Where at, Mama? She in this little hole. Mama. Mama. Oh, I see her. She right in that little hole. So they right up under this log. Oh.
You can't touch the cats. What are you trying to do now?
I just want to see. Can I see?
There ain't coming.
Where's she at?
Right there. What are you being nosy for? Right, no, you should be over there.
Mama. Mama. What's the reason?
Went out of the house.
Well, at least we know where they at. But she might move them. They might don't stay there that long. It's 4?
It's 4?
I don't know. I don't know if it's 3 or 4. There they go.
How they look?
They look healthy.
Think so?
Mm-hmm. Hey, Mama. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. Hey. Hey. Little baby's looking good. Oh, look at that big black one. He's so cute. Yeah. Oh, I love you. It's okay, Mama. Baby's looking good. Go to sleep, little baby. Go to sleep, little baby. Go to sleep, little baby. I love you, I do. I love you, I do. Go to sleep, little fancy. Go to sleep, little wolfie. Go to sleep, little Ewok. Go to sleep, little I love you. I do. Night night. Hey girl, you getting down. It's okay, Mama. It's okay. Yeah. Wolf trying to find him a titty, a nipple. Look at Wolf.
Move, man.
Look, Wolf finna take her nipple. What's her name, too?
It's one right there, too. I see it.
He'll get it.
I see it right there.
Did he get it?
You got something. I see it.
Get it. Hey, so your voice made her eye get wilder. Hey, Wolf. Don't worry, you're playing bicycle. Get it, Wolf. Dang, Wolf shaking.
Hey, you found the other one.
You found one?
Yes, no, that's the one I was talking about.
Wolf hungry. That one must don't taste good as this one.
They all got different tastes.
I don't know. Be good, Wolf. Wolf, you got milk all in your eye.
You do?
Mm-hmm. I see all in her ear. I know eating you is just the energy of a male. I noticed that with Cat. Wolf ain't playing.
Well, Danny Pikachu, she kind of like the energy of the male, huh?
Look, she found that one. You playing with your mama tail. So cute. Hey, mama. You see your baby? I think she hungry. I think he's still. Esau, come get this little thing. He done ran over here. This one's still hungry. Everybody else just walking around enjoying.
They're gonna be eating hard. He was bound that cord.
He's still hungry, huh? He full. She full.
She full.
Look at little fat. She wants you to rub Esau. All is movable. Hey, this one's scared. She looking for Ewok. They over here. They all over here, mama. They all over here. They all over here. Come on. Put them closer to her, Esau. She's talking that little talk. That one need to eat. Oh, that's so cute.
She doing to eat.
She want to eat. Look, she.
Your Bible feel, little boy.
The other one's full. They just looking and walking. But I told you that one was still hungry.
I'm keeping you. You gotta stay right
Yeah,
there.
that one's still hungry. Look at that one. He's so cute. Look at the feather tutu. She trying to eat and mama moved. Do her wrong while everybody else.